dairy.
Wait, what can I video next? Come on, we're late.
Hey, let's go.
Oh, you got something in there for us. Some water with some electrolytes on there, and we're taking a cruise, aren't we?
Yes.
We're going to a dairy.
We're
going to a dairy, and we're also going to your favorite hamburger place, and you're gonna have to tell me why when we get there, why it is so good of a place to eat. All right?
Sure.
Okay, let's go. Come on.
Hey, where's my keys?
Milk money. I'm at a dairy, and we're getting some milk because this woman right here says she's got to have fresh milk, and this is right out of the cow, right here. This stuff right here. And see, see the cream line right there? You can see it on all these pictures, right there. That tells you this is fresh milk with lots of cream in it. They did not take the cream off. And I think we're getting some cheese too. $22 for this cheese? Huh?
It's raw blue Swiss.
Well, so how come it costs so much? So see, nobody's here, and I guess they just take you for your word. Is that what they do?
Yes.
They take you for your word. You take the money, and you put it in the milk money.
We're going 20.
Right here.
5 and $26.
This is crazy. I would never spend this much money for milk or cheese, but we're gonna ask this lady right here why she does this. And you're gonna start talking, aren't you?
No.
Yes, you are.
Because this milk is a healer. This is raw, fresh milk, and it heals your body. It builds and heals.
It builds and heals.
Yes.
Yes, she spent many hours trying to find this dairy. Look at all the different things up here. All of his awards. And this is the type of cow. This is the type of cow, right?
Yeah. Yes, brown Swiss.
This is a brown Swiss?
Swiss cow. And this is all their ribbons from, and all those awards from years past. They've been here a long time.
Wow.
And this is mostly grass-fed.
They're grass-fed, and that's what makes a good cow milk, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Ready to go.
Okay, let's get out of here. Yeah, come on. What are these glass jars here for?
Because people don't want the plastic jugs.
Yeah.
So they bring their own jars so that the milk comes from this big tank into their jar, and then they just bring clean, fresh jars, and then they swap out.
That's pretty cool.
Because people want glass, not plastic.
And you can get eggs here?
Fresh eggs.
Are you going to get any eggs too, or no?
No, just milk and cheese.
Do you have a big old milk bucket like that?
No. It's like a stool.
Okay.
Stool.
All right, I'm sure I'll talk to you more about all this milk business at a dairy. Huh? Yeah, $7 per gallon for milk. That's pretty good, I hear you say, for raw milk, right?
Fresh milk.
Fresh milk. $18 per pound for blue cheese? Are you nuts?
It is exquisite.
Okay. I mean, if that's something you like to do, I guess she does. So I'm going to try this raw milk to get back to the homestead. Well, I guess since we're here, she's going to get another gallon of milk. Yeah, 2 gallons of milk, because I think I'm going to drink some of this too. Supposedly it's supposed to be really super healthy for you. Are you going to make any cream out of this milk too? Or no? No, not this particular stuff. You get that somewhere else then, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, and was this the type of milk that you could drink like all day long without eating anything else?
Yes, I did for a whole month.
You did for a whole month. All you had was milk. But it had to be the fresh, whole milk with the cream in it and everything else,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So it takes you a whole hour to drive to this dairy to get your milk.
Yes.
So see, she's used to this, and it's worth it to her to get something like this, you gotta try this stuff. See, we are at a dairy. These, oh, look at these cute guys. Wow, here's some more over here. These are money-making machines, and these are all going to be cow milk providers. Yes, this is a baby.
That's probably just barely.
Yeah, these are probably not very old. Maybe what, less than a week old? I don't know. Here they are. Here she comes. Hi, kitty.
Fed.
See, she keeps talking when the camera's not on, and then once the camera's on, she just like quiets up. What's up with that?
There's my little house. My tiny home.
Okay, so these are the real McCoys.
No, these are the ones I think that are. I don't know, I guess they are.
Yeah. These gotta be.
They're already milked.
Yeah.
They're chilling out, cooling off.
Yep.
It's hot.
Okay, and you said they have to be milked twice a day, huh?
Twice a day.
No matter what.
No matter what.
No matter what. I didn't know that before.
Yeah.
Twice a day, or else something will happen inside of them?
Well, they have to, well, the milk has got to go somewhere and they can't milk themselves. So if a calf is not, feeding on them or, drinking their milk, then they have to be milked some other way.
Uh-huh.
And if a cow is milking, that means she's fresh, and that's why it's called fresh milk.
Why do you know so much about milk?
Because my mother was born on a dairy.
Oh, she was?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Can we get back when it's cold?
Let's vamoose. Onward, James.